know what you want to say. I like that.
Okay.
Right, there you go.
Need to back her up. Okay.
Ready. Roll cruise here. Oh,
I can have your attention, please! Airman Wishoff! Team Hunt! Airman Wishoff, is it true that you love my daughter?
Yes, sir.
Airman Wishoff, is it your intention and your desire to marry my daughter?
Yes, sir.
Airman Wishoff, if you carry through with this commitment, you must promise me, commit to me that you will love my daughter, honor her, respect her, support her. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Courtney Walker, front and center.
Courtney Walker! Yes, ma'am. You love my son. Yes, I do. You promise to cherish my son. I give you my blessing, Ernie's blessing, and our family to love my son.
On behalf of my wife and myself, I give you blessing to be married. And if this union such as provides grandchildren, understand they will be spoiled. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Airman Wishaw, you have something you'd like to say to my daughter?
Yes, sir.
Please carry on.